Okay, so you're ready to get a little deeper into what's been going on with crypto lately, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Specifically, I think we should focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum
Hmm,
because there's some interesting stuff happening with those two.
for sure.
And, we've got some great expert analysis to dig into here that I think will help clarify what's really going on.
Excellent.
Um, so, first off, I think the big thing that everyone's talking about is Bitcoin kind of, taking a bit of a dip.
Yeah, Bitcoin's been struggling a little bit.
And our expert analysis is pointing to MicroStrategy's recent acquisition of a ton more Bitcoin as a possible trigger,
Oh, wow.
like a lot.
Interesting.
So it just seems like maybe the market is starting to worry about oversaturation. Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, if suddenly there's like a huge influx of something, it can definitely impact the price.
And scare some people off.
For sure.
So our expert says to really keep an eye on that $92,400 support level for Bitcoin.
Support level.
Yeah. So basically, like you can think of it as a floor. If the price drops below that, then it could mean more drops are coming.
Oh, I see.
So that's the downside risk there. But on the other hand, you've got Ethereum, which has been like surprisingly stable.
Yeah, Ethereum's been holding up pretty well.
And there's a lot of excitement around this new MetaMask update that's eliminating gas fees for token swaps,
Oh, really?
which is huge because like gas fees are a pain.
Yeah, nobody likes those.
So this could really streamline transactions and, make Ethereum even more user-friendly.
That's a big improvement for sure.
Yeah. So while Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is actually trading at around $3,355 right now, and it's way less volatile than Bitcoin.
Interesting. So it seems like maybe investors are seeing Ethereum as a bit of a safer option right now.
Maybe. Yeah. It's kind of interesting to see how differently those two big players are behaving.
For sure. It shows how much variety there is in the crypto market,
Totally.
even among just the top coins.
Yeah.
And speaking of variety, we got to talk about meme coins for a minute.
Oh, yeah.
Those are always a wild card, right?
High risk, high reward.
Yeah, exactly. But things can go south really quickly with those, like, remember what happened with PanFan?
Oh, yeah.
They had to shut down their whole live streaming platform because of inappropriate content.
Yeah. It's a good reminder that, like,
Mhm.
meme coins might sound exciting,
Yeah.
but there's a lot of risk involved.
Yeah, a lot of risk and often not much real-world use or regulation.
Right.
They rely a lot on social media hype, which makes them vulnerable to manipulation.
Yeah, and on top of all that, we can't forget about the impact of what's happening in the wider world, like outside of crypto.
That's true. The global situation always plays a role.
So things like those U.S. tariffs on Mexico and Canada, all that pressure on China, even rumors about a potential interest rate cut from the Fed.
Right. All that creates uncertainty, which inevitably affects the crypto market too.
It does, and with the trading volumes usually lower during the holidays, we could see even more volatility.
Makes sense. Everyone's kind of holding their breath, waiting to see what happens next.
Totally.
Yeah.
So is there anything positive on the horizon?
Well, there are some bright spots, definitely.
Okay, good.
The altcoin landscape in general has seen a bit of a pullback, but there are some projects that are doing well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like Sand and Mana. Those have actually been showing some positive movement even during the correction.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and we're also seeing increased interest in Avalanche in XRP.
Oh, why is that?
Seems to be driven by some recent updates in ETF applications.
Oh, yeah, ETFs.
Yeah, basically those would make it easier for people to invest in crypto through regular stock markets.
Right. So that could be huge for those coins if they get approved.
Absolutely. It would mean a lot more mainstream acceptance.
Okay, so is all this activity in the altcoin space like a sign that things might be looking up?
It could be, but we still need to be cautious and pay attention to the technical indicators.
Yeah.
For Bitcoin, that $92,400 support level is still crucial. And for Ethereum, it's $3,355.
Right.
If they break below those levels, it could trigger further drops. But if they hold above them, it might signal a rebound.
Okay, so basically the crypto market is super complex right now. There's a lot going on.
Yeah, definitely.
Bitcoin's down certain. Ethereum's holding steady meme coins are being meme coins.
As always.
As always, we've got global events adding to the uncertainty,
Right.
and then there's some potential for an altcoin resurgence.
Yeah, it's a lot to keep track of for sure.
Yeah, it is. So what's the main takeaway here?
I think the biggest thing is just to stay informed.
Yeah.
Don't get caught up in the hype. Make sure you do your research, understand the risks, and make decisions that align with your own personal investment goals.
Right.
Because ultimately, the choices you make today will have a big impact on your portfolio down the line.
That's a good point. Well said.
Thanks.
Thanks for joining me on this deep dive today.
It was a pleasure.
All right, that's it for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in.
See ya.
Catch you next time.
Bye.
Bye.